Under the scheme of Amrit Sarovar, the construction of water reservoir was initiated at Dokmoka Shildharampur Forest Reserve under Dokmoka Western Forest Range, the first of its kind in Karbi Anglong district. The initial ceremony was done in presence of Mukul Kumar Saikia, Principal Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to mark the celebration of glorious 75th Independence Day. On 28th of April, Honorable Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi launched the Amrit Sarovar project for all India level at Dokmoka. Amrit Sarovar project was launched in view to conserve water for the future. The mission is aimed at developing and regenerating 75 water bodies in each district of the country as part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Therefore, as per the direction of the Prime Minister, Dokmoka Western Range and DRDA Department jointly initiated the process for the construction of Amrit Sarovar at Dokmoka Shildharampur Forest Reserve under Dokmoka Western Forest Range. It was reported that as large as 1 hectare of land was allocated for the construction of water reservoir and to generate its revenue. Rearing of fish would be done. The reservoir would preserve water for agricultural purposes and also it would benefit the wild animals of the reserve forest.
The all India level first time dak se ceremonial launching korilo. Also ting pen kapre bitenang palelo. Laso bitang bong sonthon alam ke dak nang klanglo je Amrit Sarovar PNRD department block penchenglo mane DRDA latumsi la government land an ke latumsi claim nang po la sofi forest area ke forest man tum claim pi po ponta tang allo putang te forest department mansi ko hanover nang po hadak ke forest area to matang SOP do hadak fencing bilong le pencheng lo hai kam da dro se la hai bang ni tum odun dire po fencing kam tang kapre kam klong de po dak bang ke langpi fishery big Sarovar lake wala se silam bichot po thik la santhot Ministry of Railways hal tamate se instruction dalo la for railway longle la santhot bhari longle pu unused longle dalo westland dalo hala longta Amrit Sarovar kimning bise hala tamane instruction philo pini dak ke forest area pot la Ministry of Road Transport and Highways alang dum si claim pu pan taman nang chuneng lo.
On the occasion of initial ceremony, a sapling plantation was also carried out. Mukul Kumar Saikia, Principal Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Special Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, S.S. Rao, Project Director, Shashikanta Timung, Dokmoka Forest Range, ECF, Rajan Rongpi, Samilangso Block BDO, Junali Nath, National Highway Infrastructure Development Construction Limited, GM Rajiv Katiyal, and many officials from the concerned department attended the initial ceremony. Semsing Ingti's report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live.